Question number 7. Aiden wants to see if he tries a new basketball shot form, what would be the difference in his basketball shooting percentage? So question 7. Reading the story above, what is Aiden's independent variable? A, shooting percentage. B, the basketball. C, the shot form. Or D, how many points he scores in the next game. Aiden wants to see if he tries a new basketball shot form, what would be the difference in his basketball shooting percentage? What is Aiden's dependent variable? Question 8. What is Aiden's dependent variable? A, the shooting percentage. B, the basketball. C, the shot form. Or D, how many points he scores in the next game. Next story. Joe and his classmates had frisbees. They each added weights to each frisbee. One of the frisbees received 2 ounces added, another had 4 ounces, and the last one had no added extra weights. He wanted to know how far could each frisbee travel. He tested each frisbee 3 times and calculated an average. Question number 9. Based upon Joe's story, what was Joe's independent variable? A, the distance the frisbee went. B, the weight on each frisbee. C, the form each frisbee was thrown with. Or D, the fact that each frisbee was thrown 3 times. Number 10, what was Joe's dependent variable? A, the distance each frisbee went. B, the weight on each frisbee. C, the form each frisbee was thrown with. Or D, the fact that each frisbee was thrown 3 times. Based upon Joe's frisbee experiment, explain what the control group would be in the frisbee experiment. Describe or explain the control group. In the frisbee experiment, number 12, in the frisbee experiment, explain some of the variables or things that Joe and his classmates need to keep constant in the experiment. List at least 2. Next story. Emma wanted to make a golden brown cookie that was not burnt on the bottom. She used the same pan and the same cookie batter. She baked each cookie for 10 minutes at 375 degrees. For the first cookie, she used 1 teaspoon of batter. Then for the second cookie, she added a half a teaspoon more of batter to the next cookie, and so on, making each cookie a little bit bigger. What is Emma's independent variable in her cookie experiment? Question 13. What is Emma's independent variable in the cookie experiment? A, the oven temperature. B, the time the cookies baked. C, the cookie's golden color. Or D, the amount of cookie batter each cookie is made of. In reference to Emma's cookie experiment, what is Emma's dependent variable? What is Emma's dependent variable? A, the oven temperature. B, the time the cookies baked. C, the cookie's golden color. D, the amount of cookie batter each cookie is made of. Question 15. Based upon Emma's cookie experiment story, list several parts of the cookie experiment that she kept constant. You may use items from the story or come up with ideas of your own that would apply to this experiment. List at least 2. When you are done, make sure you hit submit.